Most beginners fail at calisthenics within the first 30 days. Not because they're weak, not because they are lazy. They fail because nobody gives them a complete plan. One video shows push-ups. Another shows pull-ups. A third tells you to buy supplements. So in the next 5 minutes, I'm going to give you everything I wish someone had given me when I started. A complete 30-day calisthenics roadmap. The exact exercises. The simplest diet. The biggest mistakes to avoid. No gym, no expensive equipment. Just a step-by-step plan to take you from zero to your first real transformation. Grab a pen and paper. Now let's start with Phase 1. Phase 1. Activate. Days 1 to 10. Goal. Wake up the muscles. Improve mobility, blood flow, and body control. 1. Incline push-ups. 3 sets times 12 reps, chest and shoulders. 2. Wall pull hold. 3 sets times 10 seconds, grip strength and posture. 3. Knee push-ups. 3 sets times 10 reps, triceps and core. 4. Air squats. 3 sets times 15 reps, legs and knees. 5. Plank hold. 3 sets times 30 seconds, core and spine. Phase 2. Build. Days 11 to 20. Goal. Build your foundation. Add muscle, gain control over reps, increase volume. 6. Push-ups. 4 sets times 10 reps, chest and core. 7. Australian pull-ups. 3 sets times 8 reps, back and arms. 8. Jump squats. 3 sets times 12 reps, legs and explosiveness. 9. Plank toe taps. 3 sets times 10 reps, obliques. 10. Leg raises. 3 sets times 10 reps, lower abs. Phase 3. Master. Days 21 to 30. Goal. Burn fat, develop skills, take full control of your body. Push-ups. 4 sets times 10 reps, triceps and inner chest. Negative pull-ups. 3 sets times 5 reps, pull-up strength and control. Jump squats. 3 sets times 15 reps, legs and heart rate. Hollow body hold. 3 sets times 20 seconds, core strength. Wall handstand hold. 3 sets times 30 seconds, shoulder balance and control. These movements may look simple. They are not meant to be easy. They are meant to build your foundation. Every advanced calisthenics athlete started exactly here. Your job for 30 days is not to rush, it is to master. The budget-friendly diet plan. Without the right nutrition, your workouts are a car running on empty. Morning, pre-workout. Wake up, 1 full glass of water immediately. 3 to 5 minutes later, 1 banana and 3 to 5 almonds. Then complete your 30 to 40-minute calisthenics workout. Post-workout breakfast. Rest 15 to 20 minutes after training. Let the sweat dry, then shower. Then eat. 1 bowl of cooked oats, 1 boiled egg, or soaked in boiled soybeans. Choose one for protein. College lunch. 1 flatbread with a small portion of lentils. Drink at least 1 liter of water throughout the school day. Home lunch, flatbread, rice, lentils, or vegetables, whatever is available at home. Pro tip: morning is the best time to train. When you start your day with a workout, you stay active longer, think more clearly, and build a sense of discipline that carries into everything else you do. This is your 30-day roadmap. Everything you need is right here. Subscribe so you do not miss it. Until then, stay fit, stay hard.